Hey traders, the market's opened up in spectacular style today. What I find interesting about today's move is number one, my own personal Twitter feed is very skeptical of today's move. Nobody really believes that this market can go any higher. So that's, in my opinion, one little check positive for the bulls. Number two, myself included, did not enter anything long coming into today, last week. And I have a hard time believing that many traders position themselves for a great start to the new year. I don't think that many people went in and bought a whole bunch of stocks long at the end of last week and wanted to hold over the long weekend. And so part of me, when I look at today's rally, it doesn't surprise me at all. Now, the same token is I wasn't positioned to take advantage of that, even though my timing signal did, as I said, issue a buy signal. I'm just not seeing any stocks, and I haven't ran any scans today. I just pulled together a list here of charts here that I want to look at. Later on tonight, I'll see if any stocks are showing up on my scans, but so far, the scans that I'm running, that I run intraday on Strategy Desk, they don't. Let me just check real quick. Yeah, nothing showed up on that, so that's a negative. This weekly chart of the Nasdaq summation. This is the third week in a row. Well, this week just started, so of course it's going to be positive, but and it doesn't really matter until the week closes to really get a sense. But right now, it's positive, although this chart doesn't look that great to begin with. It's down sloping and pretty much not going anywhere for the last couple years. But I just wanted to point out that on a weekly basis, the Nasdaq summation has been positive since the last 3 weeks. Here's a 60-minute chart of the Dow. This is actually a decent looking chart, and you'll be able to see this in the next chart. Here is the daily Dow, but we've broken out of an area of resistance here that's kind of plagued this market for the past couple of months, and you can see that we've broken out and we've consolidated near the high. So just looking at this chart alone, this is a good looking chart. I would expect to start to see some stocks breaking out. Here's the daily, and the reason why I wanted to show you this is to say, to kind of put a target on where this market could go before it runs into the next level of resistance to around the 12,720 level, about 300 points higher. Not saying it's going to get there, but this is looking like this is the next area that it wants to gravitate to. You had nice volume, highest volume really since I would say right around the 19th, 20th. They're all about the same. And while it's nothing to write home about, the volume over the past couple weeks has just been so sickly. So this is what you want to see. If you want to take anything away from this, is that the volume was up and the general markets were up. So you want to see that happen. Now, if the volume was significantly right around 500 million and we had a move like today, well then I would be a lot more suspect than I am. And then the last chart here, I pointed this out. I believe it was right on here, and I said that we really need to watch it when we get to the top of this wedge, and well, we're here now, and this is basically where the rubber meets the road for the markets, in my opinion. Is now we're going to find out probably throughout the rest of this week if this rally has any more legs to move higher. I think we're either going to turn lower right here, or we're going to break out and then we're going to head higher for maybe another 100 points on the Nasdaq. And as I showed you, maybe up to 12.7 on the Dow. Those would be the areas I'm watching for now. So take care, guys.